Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Vlookup plus match function. So please watch the complete video. In this video, we will learn how can we apply Vlookup with match function. Vlookup with match function is very useful to make your work very easy. First of all, I will tell you the problem while applying only Vlookup function in multiple columns in our dataset. Let's apply only Vlookup in multiple columns and understand the problem usually we face. If you want to know in detail how to apply Vlookup, you can watch my previous video on Vlookup. I will also mention the link in the description box. Now we are applying Vlookup function. For this is equal to Vlookup value. Lookup value is this. Lookup value is the value for which we want the data, right? So we need to fix a here because we have to drag formula on the right side, so it should not be changed. For fixing it, just press F4 3 times, then press comma. Table array basically the table from where we are looking for the data for lookup value. So select the table and fix it, because it should not be changed, right? If it changed, there may be a error in the formula. So next is call index number. So here the column index number is, so here column index number for employee ID is 2, that is employee ID is on second column, and then press comma, and we want exact match here, so press 0 and close bracket and enter, and copy the formula and paste in remaining cells. Here we need to change the lookup value for each column, right? So just change it 3. Similarly, change all the lookup value in all columns. Now we have changed the column index number in all the column. Now put the lookup value. So we are putting it Asmita. So now you can see the details of Asmita, like her employee ID, mobile number, location, basic pay, DA, HA, gross salary, EPF, ESI, TDS, net salary. Now we can see the problem here while applying only Vlookup function. Here we have to enter column index number manually in each column, which is time consuming. Now question is, what is the solution for this problem? At the end, solution for this problem is Vlookup plus match function. Now let's apply the Vlookup plus match function is equal to Vlookup lookup value comma table array. These all are the same step, right? And fix it, comma. Now here the twist. Instead of putting the column index number manually, here we have to apply match function. For this, simply type match bracket open lookup value. Here lookup value is employee ID, and this time we need to fix 1, so press F4 2 times, right? Because it should not be changed while dragging on the right side. So comma, the lookup array is the area from where we are looking value for the lookup value. So this is our lookup array, and it also need to be fixed because it should not be changed, right? Then we want exact math, so press 0 and close the bracket, press comma, and here we also want the exact math, so press 0, close bracket and enter. Now copy the formula in all the cell and paste it. Now put the lookup value. Now you can see the details of Asmita, where this time we no need to put the column index number manually in each column. This is the beauty of Vlookup plus match function. This is all about today's session. If you like it, please press the like button and share with your friends. If you want to watch more interesting video like this, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you can receive notification on time when I upload the new videos. At the end, thanks for watching.